Good morning. Welcome back. Oh, there was a pothole. East Coast Frank on another project today. Ashton and Jordan added a game for me today. They are killing it lately. Those two are just fantastic. They did a really good job on that drain the other day, and now today we are starting another project for a gentleman that's looking to get a driveway installed. So we've already bid part of the work where we installed the culvert and 50 feet of the driveway. He apparently is also going to get me to give him a price on the remainder of that driveway. So I'm on my way down there now. I'm gonna go see Jordan and Ashton and get them geared up today to get done what they can get done, and at the same time take a peek at what's left. So let's get it. So I got everything marked out there for him, explained what's happening, nice and easy. I'm not that worried about it. It's Ashton and Jordan, they'll do a great job. So I'll come back up later on and just double check everything. But for right now, I got to take off because I have a bunch more stuff I have to get pricing, including this guy's. So he was on site doing some tree clearing himself. So he showed me where he wants his driveway to go, up to where the house is going to be. So yeah, we'll get that off to him hopefully today too. So we'll just throw a quick number on that for him, and then we can go ahead and get that one finished up for him, and he can get his house started and go from there. It's always fun when it's a new lot, and you know, the design and the ideas are all flowing with the homeowner. And anyway, he's excited, and I don't blame him. It's his dream house he's putting in there, so we'll see what happens for him. But I wish him the best, and hopefully the construction part goes well. So hopefully he has a good builder lined up, because it's been crazy here in Halifax. So just checking back in with Ashton and Jordan, and as expected, they're doing a great job. It looks good. They gotta seal up around the culvert yet, which I told them they can get done. The homeowner was here and he's marked out the driveway the way he wants it to go in. Looks pretty good, so I can finish off that price for him now. Gonna leave them here to keep working away at the section we already quoted, which was the first 50 feet. And then they can come back tomorrow morning and finish tidying up. The biggest downfall of this one, turns out, it's the turnaround time for the trucks. Yeah, it's quite a ways away from the pit. Anyway, things you don't think about on every job.
Well, that might be a problem.
Yeah, they'll get it though. I'm not that concerned. So we will head back now and get to work on that second part of the pricing, and I still have to do that pricing for HRM. I told them I'd get that done. I gotta go back to the office, shut my door, and get those prices in.
You can do it! Get that old ass of yours in the end zone! We gotta win this thing!
So, we'll head back, deal with that, and then we'll see these guys again tomorrow morning. And good morning. It's Friday. Just on my way out to check on Ashton this morning to see how they're doing. Sounds like they're just about finished up, so just gonna go take a peek and see how that looks and go from there. It's kind of a gray, wet day today. We had a little bit of snow last night, calling for some more on Sunday. Nothing serious though. I didn't even leave the house last night, and it's mostly all gone by itself this morning, so 'tis the season. It's warmer. Yeah, so let's see what they're doing and how they're making out, and we'll go from there.
Disco, and we can ride looking like a super fly disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco, and you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride this though, the superstar disco, and we can ride looking like a super fly disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco, and you can ride looking like a super fly disco.
So, the dynamic duo do it again. Jordan and Ashton, they're quite the team. They're two young fellas and an oddity at that. They're hard workers and they do a good job. So thank you to those two yet again for doing a great job and getting this one done. I just told him to run the tamper over that, tighten everything up really good, blade it again, because, you know, just tamping it once or twice isn't going to work. They've already tamped it twice and it still looks a little loose. So I said tamp it all again, blade it, tamp it again, see what it looks like. I just called the other truck driver, Tim there, he's gonna come back and they'll load them stumps and stuff on him. The second driver is gonna go get rid of the gravel that he has on and grab the float, and then we'll get that gear floated out of here and we'll be good to go. So this one will be done. Ashton's gonna send me a couple of pictures when he's done, so I'll probably put those in here now, wherever. And I'm gonna call this one complete for now, but we'll probably be back. Like I said, this guy wants us to do the rest of the driveway, so I just gotta go. I was gonna do it yesterday, I got distracted, so I'm gonna go back. I have a couple other tiny things to tidy up, and then I gotta get that price off to him right away, because it'd be nice just to get that one done and behind us. If he wants us to do the rest of that driveway, we'll just do it and get it done and over with. But for now, we're gonna call that done, and if we come back, we'll show you what happens with the rest of the driveway. So, as per usual, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, everybody.